Morning, babe. Hello and welcome back to my video again, guys. Thank you so much for watching my previous videos, and this took forever because I've been busy for a while. I'm getting ready to go out. So we had been to some inspections lately, and that's why we were busy, and we got a call that we should sign our contract. So I'm getting ready. Lipstick lovely too. I love nude color lipstick. I think that's fine. When you mean eyebrow kan ngaca, there has to be a special occasion. Then katraya kita wedding mazan gore gitu, like party attend ngono gore nanti I don't do my eyebrows because I don't want to waste my money and I don't want to waste my looks. Nice. So we are on our way to sign the contract, obviously, and we just did the inspection for like 3 minutes, I guess, hoping that it's like there were 5, 7, 10 people for the inspection line waiting, and then we thought maybe we wouldn't get a chance, so we didn't see the house properly. But it's a 1-bedroom unit, and obviously fingers crossed that it's a good place to stay for both of us. Let's hope that. And we arrived at our agent and we got our keys. Obviously there's so many keys, I don't know where we should use it, and we are home. This is our new home for now, and I love this place, but it's like we came in a summer day. It was really hot, and we thought this house would be nice because it was on the shade, but we didn't really check the garden. Oh my god, it's a disaster. And when the agent said they would call the gardener to trim all the plants, we were excited, you know, like maybe I should start my own planting. So the system works like this for the traffic, and we decided that we want to go to Woolies for shopping, and then it's like a small treat for our housemates because we've been sharing our room with them, so we decided we would surprise them. And after a long search, we decided to go with the pork belly, and then like we decided we'll cook a roasted pork belly and then some drinks maybe. So our safe is ready with some rosemary, and then he's gonna cook this pork, and I was following his process in the video. So he's gonna do, I don't know what he's gonna do. So he's just putting some rosemary inside the pork, and after some times he just add some oil on top, and then a lot of salt, and he's now getting ready for the peach sauce for the pork. So the capsicum and peach, everything here is shared. We just got the meat and veggies and everything were given by Bing and Hong for the sauce and everything. And during the process I got busy, so I didn't follow quite well, but pork is ready, I think after 1 hour. And after a long wait, finally. It's alright, we are night. So who is this?
Hong Hong. My name is Hong Hong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah. I'm the actor from Myanmar and Taiwan.
Oh, mix. She's from the middle of Myanmar and Taiwan.
Yeah, Myanmar.
Yay!
I'm Jeffrey from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And I'm going to eat all the good food.
Oh. So you watch everything that's been cooked, so you know
Yeah,
now.
I remember now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hi.
Who's this?
I'm Bing.
Yeah. From?
I'm from Taiwan.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. We are good. And who's this?
Oh, yeah, I'm Yaman from Nepal.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you are the chef today.
Yeah, I'm the chef today.
Every day.
And the fried rice was ready. It was also given by Hong and Bing. So we are doing the plating now for the dinner, and it's absolutely a very memorable moment for I think every one of us, because we are connected through food, and we also live under the same roof, so having a mutual good relationship with everybody is a must, and everybody loved chatting, and we spend a quality time together. I hope this will continue for years to come. Finished? Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and keep watching for next updates. Everybody's full. And we would obviously miss this place and everybody. Thank you so much for watching.